In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello cards, a simple yet powerful tool for project management. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn how to effortlessly manage tasks and collaborate with your team using Trello. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log in to Trello. If you're not already on the login page, head over there now. Once you're there, look for the login button and give it a click. Trello offers several login options, and for the sake of convenience, I'll guide you through the option of logging in with your Google account. After clicking on login, you should see an option for using Google. Select that and then choose the Google account you want to sign in with. This method is quick and ensures you have easy access whenever you need it. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your board. Boards are where you organize your tasks, so let's find yours. If you're working with a team or on different projects, you might see multiple boards listed. In this example, we're looking for a specific board, which might contain tasks for a project, clients, or even customers you're managing. Once you've found it, click on the board's name to open it. With your board open, let's add a new card. Cards in Trello are like task placeholders, individual units of work that need your attention. Look for the Add a Card option, typically found at the bottom of any existing list on your board. Clicking this will open up a field for you to type in the name of your new card. It's important to be clear and concise with card names. This makes future navigation easier for both you and your team. For instance, if it's a task related to a specific client, project, or customer, make sure the card name reflects that. Clear naming conventions will save you a lot of time and effort when you need to find or update a card. After naming your card, you won't find a traditional save button like you might expect. Instead, it's as simple as clicking outside the card's text area, and voila, your card is saved and ready on your board. And there you have it. You've successfully added a card to your Trello board. It might seem simple, but mastering this process is vital for keeping your projects organized and on track. Each card can be further customized with due dates, labels, attachments, and comments, making it an indispensable tool for efficient project management. Don't forget to explore these features to get the most out of your Trello experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to rewind and replay any sections if you need to see them again. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.